So we want to talk about putting beneficiaries onto accounts that you have. So this is an important part of the homework after you've completed your trust, is we want to do one of two things with each of your assets. We want to either put it in the trust or we want to add a beneficiary. The preference is to put items in the trust rather than just using a beneficiary, but for certain types of assets we don't have a choice. The best we can do is list a beneficiary. So in the back of your binder there will be letters of instruction under the Funding Instructions tab, and there should be a letter for each of your retirement accounts and your life insurance policies explaining who we want that beneficiary to be. And so in some cases, depending on the age of your beneficiaries and the type of account, we will be listing the trust as a beneficiary, and in other cases we will not be listing the trust as a beneficiary. So take a look at those letters, see if you have any questions on those. When completing the beneficiary forms, we're not expecting you to have to mail a letter off to the life insurance company. Many times you can do this online, and so you can just follow the instructions in our letter to go ahead and update your records online. And if the trust is listed as somebody that you're going to put as a beneficiary, the key information there is going to be the name of your trust and the date of your trust. So that should be listed on the letter, but be sure to include both of those pieces of information. As a final reminder, why do we want to put assets, put beneficiaries on? Because that's how we avoid probate. So I can have this wonderful trust, but if I have not listed beneficiaries on my life insurance or my 401k, then that account can end up going to probate. And so it's important to fill this out. It's also important to periodically update your beneficiaries, make sure you still have the right names. If you've added a new child to your family, it's not automatically, the insurance company or the 401k is not going to automatically know that. If there's a divorce situation or something, obviously that's another time. I've had a couple of cases where an ex-spouse has actually ended up receiving property under a life insurance policy, and so we definitely don't want that to happen to you.